Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to consider this geometry question. Solution. In the question, we were given that angle XQR is 52 degrees. Angle XQR equal to 52 degrees. Also, angle PRT is 16 degrees. Angle PRT equal to 16 degrees. The question says we should find angle QPT, which is marked Y. Angle QPT equal to Y. First, let us find angle QST, and let us consider this diagram for better understanding. Let us say this angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. Exterior angle theorem of a triangle states that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. The theorem says the sum of angle A and B is equal to angle C. So mathematically, the theorem says C is equal to A plus B. If we compare this diagram with this one, you will agree with me that our angle A is 16 degrees, our angle B 52 degrees, and our angle QST is C. So we can say that angle QST equal to 16 degrees plus 52 degrees. 16 degrees plus 52 degrees. Angle QST equal to 68 degrees. So this angle is 68 degrees. Let us consider this cyclic quadrilateral QPTS. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. That means that angle QPT plus angle QST are equal to 180 degrees. Angle QPT plus angle QST equal to 180 degrees. Angle QPT is what? Angle QST is 68 degrees. So let us substitute them into this equation. Y plus 68 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Y equal to, if we transpose 68 degrees to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have 180 degrees minus 68 degrees. Y equal to 112 degrees. So the correct option is C. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.